So today what we're doing is we're making an 8" by 8" square on our paper. We're going to divide it into 4 equal parts. So you can have 4 squares within your 1 square. And each square either has to be horizontal, diagonal, or vertical. Okay? You can only have 1 horizontal, 1 diagonal. Okay? Or 2 verticals, or whatever. However you do it. Okay? Now, there's 24 ways of doing this assignment, or 24 versions. Now, I'm going to show you how to do it quickly and efficiently, and I'm going to show you how to use a ruler, okay? And so that you will understand that every single line needs to be exactly 1/8 of an inch apart from the next line. I will show you how to center your work on your paper, and if you watch this video and pay attention, you'll know exactly how to do it, which will be a wonderful thing. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so to read a ruler properly and get eighths, each 1, 2, 3, 4, that is an eighth. That is another eighth. That's 2/8, that's 3/8, that's 4/8, that's 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8, which is 1 inch. Okay, so half between a quarter is an eighth. 2/8 would be 1/4, 3/8, 4/8 would be a half an inch, 5/8, 6/8 would be 3/4 of an inch, 7/8, 8/8. Okay, so that's how you read a ruler in eighths of an inch. Okay, so to do this assignment, first you need to find the center of this piece of paper. So I'm going to measure this. Now this piece of paper is 12 inches, or it's about 12 inches wide. And it is 9 inches in height, okay, on the horizontal. So if it's 9 inches, I would go to 4.5 inches here and here, and that's the middle. If I would come over to here, that's the horizontal, right, on the horizontal. So I can actually go like that, and I have my first line. Then I say, what is the dimension across? It's 12 inches. So, and it's supposed to be an 8" piece you have here. So 8 goes into 8 from 12 is 4. So that means, okay, so it's 8 inches wide. 8 from 12 is 4. So I would come in 2, and I would come in 2. And if we take this measurement, we are at 8 inches. Okay? And then half of 8 inches is 4. That would be the middle there, right? So I'm going to come over here again and to the very edge here, and I'm going to come in 2, and I'm going to come in 2 over here. And now I'm going to draw a line right here, okay, straight up and down here, okay? And I'm going to draw another line right here, okay, straight up and down. And I'm going to show you how quickly you can get this done. Okay? Now, from here, we have 4. Okay? I have, from this dimension, from the middle, okay, I have 4. So I come up to here, to the top, 4. And I come down to here to 8. I come over to here, and I go to 4. And I go to 8. Then I come across with my ruler and make my line across. Okay, and then I make another line across here. Right? So this should be 8 inches by 8 inches. And it is 8 inches by 8 inches. It is an 8 inch by 8 inch square. Now I'm going to come over here to 4, make a mark, come up to my 4 over here, my line, and now I put my line across like that. Okay? And just connect all your lines. Later you can erase all of your lines that you ran over. It's okay. Okay? That's how you do this. All right? I'm going to get that up there. Okay. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. They're all equal. Now, this could be a diagonal, this could be a horizontal, this could be a vertical, this could be a diagonal. Okay, so now you need to go and measure, say I'm going to do a diagonal, okay, on here, on this one. So I come out to the edge like this and I get my first line. Right, now I'm going to be coming off of this. So now I'm going to make an 1/8 inch. I'm going to measure 1/8 inch increments out here and over here and over here and over here quickly by just making little dots. Okay, so I come over here and I say that is an 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8. Same thing comes for over here. Line everything up properly. Okay. Now, making horizontal and horizontal lines is the same. And I have something to go off of. Okay, and I continue to do my drawing. And I'm looking at my thing, making sure everything is even as I do it. Okay, so now I have this one done over here. Now I'm gonna do my final, I'm gonna do a vertical over here. I'm gonna make my 1/8 inch marks. Starting over here, I put my first pencil line in. Go off my 1/8 inch mark, I have one over here. Okay, and now this is done. Now you just want to clean up your edges here. Okay, clean up your edges, clean up all of your stuff on here as best you can. Okay, put your name and the date on here. Okay, Mr. Daugherty, 8/31/21. Okay, and now take a photograph of your work. That's finished.